Yes, Urja.
And we eat some
What?
ice cream.
Oh my god, ice cream. Okay, but we don't have ice cream at home, Urja.
We can make it.
Okay, we should make at home. Which flavor you want?
Strawberry.
Strawberry flavor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Red.
Red strawberry.
Yeah, with mango.
Okay, so we will make 2 flavored ice creams, one strawberry and one mango.
First strawberry, then mango.
Okay. We need 1 gallon bag and 1 sandwich bag. Half cup heavy whipping cream or coconut milk or half cup whole milk. You can choose yours. 1 fresh strawberry crushed. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. Measuring spoons. 1 tablespoon mango crushed. 1 tablespoon sugar. You can adjust it according to your taste. 1/3 cup rock salt. Ice and 1 napkin. So Urja, first you take a big bag and put the ice in this.
Let me put this for you.
Now put this bag over here. Okay, I will hang this. Put this half cup of whipping cream
Okay.
in this.
There.
Now put strawberry.
Give
as you are making strawberry flavor.
Give me.
Yeah. Hold it very carefully and don't put the bowl in it.
There. I put in that.
Now put the vanilla essence. We need
This. There.
and we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Very good. Okay. So now I will close this for you. Let us take this out. Close this up. Take out a little bit air. Okay. We mix it. And now in this ice we will put the salt. Okay. And now we will put this back and cover this. And now let us do the shake. Make sure that this ziplock is fully closed. Okay.
First you need to put this
Heavy whipping cream.
heavy whipping cream you need to put, okay? Say okay.
Okay, Mom.
So give it to me. I'll make it for you. It's yummy and special. You will love it. And show your dad. Because you're a baby, you can't make it. mangoes.
Wow.
There you go, baby.
They look so pretty. This is the vanilla essence.
Yep.
I think half of this.
No, don't put it at the bottom.
Okay.
Baby, can you hold this for me? Or should I put it myself? Should I do
Here, hold it here so it will fall down. Now you can put this, pour this full.
Let's put your bag.
This is the bag. So, yeah, first we will take off this bag. And then,
Yes, baby. So we need to lock it up, okay? Just like mine. Remember strawberry one is yummy. I love that. And I love yours. Let's show our diamond. So we are putting this rock salt in. So we are going to take this out and take this bag and put it in. So then we are going to lock this up. Then we are going to shake it in the napkin. I'll give the napkin to my sweetie. Then I will never roll it, and you take this all out. Then you put this here, and then you put your bag in. You put your ziplocks in. After this big one and the smaller one. Okay, then you fold it for it and give it to your sweetie. And you take it.
now just shake.
Ask mommy, shake. Okay.
So we are done shaking. Now we will take out our bags.
Let's take our bags.
Yeah. This is my mango flavor.
This is my strawberry flavor.
Just pat it.
Yep.
Oh my god, it is very hard, Urja.
Yeah.
You shake it a lot.
And you help me. And Papa helped
It is so fluffy.
me. You could stop.
Little bit.
Oh, you got not crook, right?
So, let us take it now.
And
Should I open it for you? Oh wow.
Yum.
Friends, this is the ice cream which we made. Oh my god, it's
Yeah.
very yum.
And it looks like a rock.
Yeah. How is it? You like it? Is it sweet? Yeah. Let me taste my mango flavor. It's look delicious.
Yum. It's very yum.
Can I try your?
It has lots. Try. Please like and subscribe and share my videos.
Bye bye.